Unleash the power of AI to craft ads that stop the scroll and drive results. Today, we're diving into how Higgsfield empowers you to create captivating advertisements with its groundbreaking AI-driven tools. Higgsfield takes the guesswork out of ad creation by transforming your ideas into engaging visuals. Simply input your product or service, and watch as Higgsfield's AI generates stunning imagery, from realistic product shots to imaginative lifestyle scenes, all tailored to your brand. But engaging visuals are only half the story. Higgsfield excels at crafting compelling narratives that resonate with your target audience. Input your key selling points and brand message, and let the AI weave them into persuasive ad copy, taglines, and even short video scripts that speak directly to your customers' needs and desires. Imagine creating a complete, high-impact campaign in a fraction of the time it used to take. Higgsfield's intuitive platform allows you to iterate, refine, and optimize your advertisements with ease. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or a small business owner, Higgsfield equips you with the tools to craft campaigns that not only look great, but also deliver tangible results, truly enabling advertising that connects. Ready to elevate your advertising game? Explore Higgsfield and start creating your next breakthrough campaign today.